Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make egg curry for rice. Start by boiling 6 eggs until hard and peeling them carefully. Heat oil and fry whole spices briefly to release aroma. Sauté onions until golden, then add ginger, garlic, and tomatoes. Simmer with garam masala and salt, fold in eggs, and simmer gently for 5 minutes. Serve hot over steamed rice for a comforting meal. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of oil and frying bay leaf, cumin, and mustard seeds until they pop. Add thinly sliced onions and cook until they are deep golden brown, which adds sweetness. Stir in ginger and garlic paste, then add chopped tomatoes and cook until soft. Sprinkle turmeric, chili powder, and garam masala, then add a splash of water. Gently place peeled eggs into the curry and simmer so they soak up flavor. For a fresh finish, sprinkle chopped cilantro and squeeze a little lemon over the curry before serving. Pair the egg curry with fluffy basmati rice or warm rotis to soak up the sauce. If you prefer more heat, add sliced green chilies or extra chili powder slowly and taste as you go. Leftovers store well in the fridge for 2 days, and reheating gently keeps the eggs tender and flavorful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.